Welcome. I'm so glad you're here to practice your English. In this lesson, we'll be diving into the verb to be, which is super important and one of the first verbs you'll use in everyday conversations. Don't worry if you're feeling a little unsure at first. By the end of this, you'll be using it with confidence in all different tenses. I'll guide you through the present, past, and future tenses, and then we'll look at continuous forms and modal verbs. We'll take it slow and easy, like a conversation between friends. Ready? Let's go. Present simple. The present simple form of to be is am, is, are. It's used to describe states, facts, or habitual actions, for example. Examples. 1. Talking about where you are at the moment. I am at home right now. I am at home right now. 2. Describing something she regularly does. She is always on time for work. She is always on time for work. 3. Talking about a relationship. We are good friends. We are good friends. 4. Describing someone's state. They are very tired after the long trip. They are very tired after the long trip. 5. Complimenting a skill. You are really good at playing the guitar. You are really good at playing the guitar. Past simple. In the past simple, to be is was 4 singular subjects and were 4 plural subjects. This tense is used to talk about actions or situations in the past. Examples. 1. Talking about where you were in the past. I was at the park yesterday. I was at the park yesterday. 2. Describing how she felt in the past. She was really tired after the meeting. She was really tired after the meeting. 3. Talking about a situation that happened in the past. We were at the restaurant when the phone rang. Talking about a situation that happened in the past. We were at the restaurant when the phone rang. 4. Describing someone's reaction in the past. They were happy with the results of the project. They were happy with the results of the project. 5. Talking about something in the past. He was a great teacher when I was in school. He was a great teacher when I was in school. Future simple. The future simple form is will be. It is used to talk about future plans, predictions, or things that will happen. Examples. 1. Talking about a plan for tomorrow. I will be at the office tomorrow. I will be at the office tomorrow. 2. Talking about an event that will happen soon. She will be here soon. She will be here soon. 3. Talking about a specific time in the future. We will be ready by 5 p.m. Talking about a specific time in the future. We will be ready by 5 p.m. 4. Predicting someone's reaction. They will be happy to meet you. They will be happy to meet you. 5. Expressing what you think will happen. You will be amazed by the view. You will be amazed by the view. Present continuous. The present continuous uses am, is, are plus verbing. It's used for actions happening right now or for future plans. Examples. 1. Talking about something happening right now. I am working on a new project. I am working on a new project. 2. Describing what someone is doing right now. She is studying for her exam. She is studying for her exam. 3. Talking about something being planned. We are planning our vacation. We are planning our vacation. 4. Describing an activity in the present. They are watching a movie right now. They are watching a movie right now. 5. Recognizing what someone is doing right now. You are helping a lot with the event. You are helping a lot with the event. Past continuous. The past continuous uses was, were plus verbing. It's used for actions that were happening at a specific moment in the past or to describe interrupted actions. Examples. 1. Describing an action that was happening when something else occurred. I was walking when I saw you. I was walking when I saw you. 2. Talking about what was happening when something interrupted. She was cooking dinner when the guests arrived. She was cooking dinner when the guests arrived. 3. Describing a situation interrupted by another action. We were waiting for the bus when it started raining. We were waiting for the bus when it started raining. 4. Describing something that continued over a period of time in the past. They were talking about the project all night. They were talking about the project all night. 5. Talking about something happening when another action took place. You were looking at the photos when I called. You were looking at the photos when I called. Future continuous. The future continuous uses will be plus verbing. It's used to talk about actions that will be happening over a period of time in the future. Examples. 1. Talking about something happening in the future. I will be working tomorrow at 10 a.m. I will be working tomorrow at 10 a.m. 2. Talking about future plans. She will be traveling next week. She will be traveling next week. 3. Describing an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. We will be having lunch when you arrive. We will be having lunch when you arrive. 4. Talking about a future continuous action. They will be studying all day tomorrow. They will be studying all day tomorrow. 5. Talking about a future state. You will be feeling much better by next week. You will be feeling much better by next week. Modals with to be. Here, we combine to be with modals like can, should, must, might, and would to express ability, advice, necessity, possibility, or hypothetical situations. Examples. Can. 1. Talking about ability or possibility. I can be more productive if I focus. I can be more productive if I focus. 2. Describing someone's behavior. She can be very serious sometimes. She can be very serious sometimes. Should. 1. Giving advice. You should be more careful with your phone. You should be more careful with your phone. 2. Expressing an expectation. He should be here by now. He should be here by now. Must. 1. Expressing necessity or obligation. I must be at the meeting by 9 a.m. I must be at the meeting by 9 a.m. 2. Expressing certainty about someone's state. She must be tired after the long trip. She must be tired after the long trip. Might. 1. Expressing a possibility. I might be a little late to the party. I might be a little late to the party. 2. Talking about a possible future event. They might be interested in joining us for dinner. They might be interested in joining us for dinner. Would. 1. Expressing a desire or a hypothetical situation. It would be nice to go on a vacation soon. It would be nice to go on a vacation soon. 2. Giving a suggestion based on a hypothetical scenario. You would be happier in a new job. You would be happier in a new job. That's a wrap. Great job sticking with the lesson. I know it can feel like a lot, but the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every step you take is progress. Keep going, stay consistent, and soon you'll see how much you've improved. Thanks for joining today's lesson. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget, English is an adventure. Let's make it an exciting one.